How to unread a message in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can unread any message in Microsoft Teams. So as here you can see, I have received this message from this particular guy, and if I view this message, he will know that I have read their messages if they do not have their read receipts disabled. So now I know that they have read this message as well. Now if I want to unread this message, then the trick for that is quite simple. So in Teams, if you want to unread any message, then all you need to do is simply right click over to that particular chat, and from here you will see the second option that says mark as unread. So click onto this mark as unread option, and now it is again showing you in bold text. This means that the message has been successfully marked as unread. So that's how easily you can mark any message as unread. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.